YouTube. Today I'll be doing a deck review of my updated Blau Nova Grappler Blau deck. So for starting Vanguard, I run Blauwanger, the skill. When Blau pins right, search for grade 2, which is the Blaukluger, to add to your hand. Next I run 3 Stern Blauklugers. He's a boss card of the deck. He is 11,000. He has an 11,000 base if you have Blaukluger in your soul. And his second skill is Count plus 2 and choose 2 of your Nova Grappler cards from your hand and discard them. When this unit attack hits a Vanguard, pay the cost. If you do, you can actually stand him and the unit behind him one more time. So for example, you have like Death Army guy behind, attack, hit, Count plus 2, stand by discarding 2 can stand, and he loses twin drive. Yeah, this skill is really good because it threatens your opponents a lot and pressurizes them. And what makes this skill even better is it's not a limit break, which means you can use it anytime your attack hits. And next, I run 3 Bestiality Azure Dragons. He's your backup Vanguard, and his skill is, if you do not have a Nova Grappler Vanguard Rearguard, he minus 2000. And his second ability is Persona Blast, means discard another copy of him and stand 2 of your rearguards when this unit attack hits a Vanguard. The main reason why I run him is not because of me wanting to ride him, but then he's just a backup Vanguard. But the main reason is because of his 11,000 base, and he's really good against those rearguards, can attack for 11,000, and those 11k Vanguards as well. That's why I run him. Finally, I run 2 of his Limit Breakers. When this unit attacks, Limit Break 4 on a Vanguard circle, he attacks for 15, and when on rearguard, when he attacks a Vanguard, he attacks for 12. So yeah. Grade 2, run 2 Death Army Ladies. If you draft check grade 3, you can automatically stand her. Run 2 Death Army Rooks and 2 King of Swords, the 10k vanillas. 2 Magician Girl Kira, Diva Clone, helps to pressurize your opponent. 2 Blaukluger, Right Chain. His skill is your Blau Panzer in the soul. He has 1000 extra power. And when this unit attack hits a Vanguard, choose a card from damage zone and turn face up. Finally, I run 1 Street Bouncer. He is really good in early game because you don't want to deal too many damage to your opponent in early game, otherwise they can have limit break earlier. Anyways, his skill is when he's placed on the rearguard, you can actually rest him and the unit behind him. So for example, you call, rest, and you draw a card. So it helps you build up your hand size. And grade 1 lineup, around 4 Blau Panzer, Right Chain, and when he rides over the grade 0, which is this guy, when he rides, you can search for this card to add to your hand. And his second skill is when he's placed on the rear guard, you can discard a grade 3, for example Azure Dragon, and then you can search for Stern Blaukluger to add to your hand. That's why he's really good, because you can, with him, you can he's as good as getting the entire right chain for you. So he's really good. Next I run 2 Claydol Mechanics. He's your damage unflipper. When he's placed on rear guard, can unflip damage. So yeah. Next I run 2 Dancing Wolf. He is Stern Blaukluger's so-called personal booster, because yeah, when he boosts, so it's like, for example, you have the Blaukluger in your soul. This is a 18k column, and then if you manage to boost Blaukluger's ability off, stand, and then Dancing Wolf gains the additional 3000, attack again for 21, so you're actually forcing more guards out from your opponent. So yeah, in a sense, he's like his personal booster, because helps them hit for a higher amount altogether. Next, I run 2 Death Army guys. When Draft check grade 3, you can like stand him up. Finally, run 4 Twin Bladers, Perfect Guards. You need the defense cards since Nova Grappler is not really that defensive. Trigger lineup, 2 stands, 4 draws, 6 crits, and 4 heals. You usually want to use the stands for like, you don't want to use the stands for defense, because you want to keep running the stands to make the deck more consistent. So yeah, if you use them for defense, means you're like only left with 1 stand and you can only run him like for a few times only, and your deck, it won't run as consistent as you want it to run. Now I'll like show you like some of the best kind of winning image you can get in this deck. So yeah, this is your field you want to get for final turn. You start by attacking all the rear guards, and then you attack with the Vanguard. If your opponent doesn't guard, it's really a plus for you. Then you check the Twin Drive. If you're lucky and pull a grade 3, you can actually like stand all, and then with Stern Blaukluger skill you can also stand. So it's as good as you getting an entire field back. And then yeah, your opponent really is like dead. Then attack. You can attack as many times as you want in this sense. So yeah, this field is really good. And if you're even lucky and pull another grade, you can actually like stand all of them again. So yeah, this is your best field you can get already. And so yeah, thanks for watching.